Alright, for a single replacement, you have to always start with a compound and an element as your reactants, and your products will always be an element and a compound. And for this, you have to, okay, for this, we have to switch the charges in order to get from CuCl, which is copper 2 chloride, and magnesium to copper and magnesium chloride. Since copper is a Roman numeral, its charge is always the Roman numeral, which its Roman numeral was 2, so its charge is 2. And no, you want to start with magnesium, because copper is the one that's going to be by itself, so its charge doesn't matter. But magnesium has a charge of 2. And chlorine, which is where you want to put the magnesium, you want to switch the copper and the magnesium, because it is the element that's by itself, and these are both the ones with positive charges. Since magnesium has a charge of 2, it would go in the spot of where copper is. And since you want chlorine to be right next to magnesium, you would switch their charges, and you would write down magnesium and its charge and chlorine and its charge, which is -1. You wouldn't write the positives or negatives, and then you'd switch the charges, so you'd have magnesium 1, chlorine 2, and then you write that down as a formula, NgCl2, which we have up here. Now you can erase all that. And since that's already balanced, you don't need to balance the equation, because there is 1 copper on this side, 1 copper on this side, 1 magnesium on this side, 1 magnesium on this side, and 2 chlorine on both sides. So, and the reason we picked these reactants is because this is a compound and this one's an element, and whenever they react, they can actually come out with the correct products.